Just got in this Ego 9-gallon wet dry vac. It's just the tool only, but I ordered it as soon as I could because I can't wait. I've got some projects going on that I need it for. So we're gonna do Ego 9-gallon wet dry vac box unboxing. Right, I'm gonna start by opening the top here. Shaped up pretty good. Try to stay out of your way. This is, let's see what we got here. Some stuff. Let's show you what it looks like right now. Here, pull it out. All right, we got the unit right there. Fractions, and that's it. The box is empty now. Get that out of the way. All right, here we go. So I guess everything else is inside. So we open this up. We got the little remote. That's pretty cool. Check that out later. Brush attachment right here. Another attachment. An adapter. Okay. Let's see how we open this up. Guessing there's an unlock there and an unlock there. All right. Inside, extension tubes, the hose, looks like a bag. Okay, we got that. Got a brush and an attachment with like a little squeegee on it. And we've got this, and that is it. Looks like you can hold some stuff under here. I'll check that out after. And then I guess this is the filter right here. Pretty cool. Battery goes there. And that's it, man. This looks pretty cool. I'm definitely excited to get this checked out. Maybe we'll do a review later on. But this was just for the unboxing. So there's everything it comes with. This is, like I said, the tool only. So we got all that stuff. Awesome.